New man in Imtiaz Alam made 3 runs against Angika Avengers and facing Rashmikant, who is on a hat-trick. No, does not complete a hat-trick. In fact, off the mark straight away Rashmikant. But what an over so far from Rashmikant Sid.
Brilliant, brilliant. Craft, guile, pace. There you go. This was excellent by the keeper. And this one, beautifully bowled. Slower delivery. No chance for Shabir over there. Just totally misread it. And that's, this is what Bihar Cricket League is doing. All these gems who otherwise would have been the obscurity are just coming to the fore. They are just exhibiting their talent. They are manifesting their talent to the entire world, because everybody is watching right now, not just inside the stadium, but on their TV screens, on Eurosport right now. This is going to so many countries, so many teams would be watching it, Sunil. You might just not know. This might just be a chance for them to get picked up by probably IPL and maybe subsequently Team India. End of the over, 18 gone, 143 for 7.
In the game, Jets set to San Antonio for the Valero Texas Open. Who will stand tall under Texas-sized pressure? And they're named to the list of distinguished champions.
Match number 7 of the inaugural edition of the Bihar Cricket League. We are coming live from the Urja Stadium, and that is the scorecard of the Darbhanga Diamonds. The Patna pilots bowling rather well. Initially, they were a little sloppy. It was a fantastic effort up front by Darbhanga, but the last few overs have only belonged to the bowling team.
At one point of time, said they were 139 for 4. So the next 3 runs, 135 for 4. So they lost 3 wickets in the gap of 3 runs. Look at that. Last over produced 2 wickets. Rashmikant Ranjan got those back-to-back wickets. Tries for a big one. Did not connect it well.
Yeah, if we can just see the follow wickets, that'll just present a story in itself. They were going really well at 4.4 when they opened with Arnav Kishore and Bipin Saurav. Only in 4.4 overs they were at 47. Then the first wicket fell at 47, then 59, then 81. So regular intervals, barring the 5th wicket partnership of 55 runs and the first one of 47, there wasn't much. And particularly the wicket fall at number 5, 6, 7 has surely pegged them back.
And all important batsmen got out. Then wicket number 5 and wicket number 6, 2 set batsmen went out. First it was Captain Babul and then another big hitter, Kundan. Now the tail is exposed. This is the second time batting for Imtiaz in the Bihar Cricket League. He made 3 runs against Angika Avengers. Did not bat against Bhagalpur and Gaya. And talking about Prakash, batting for the first time in the league.
It's a good wake-up call just before the semi-final. Remember, this is their last league match, Darbhanga Diamonds. After this, they would be playing the semi-finals. They are on 4 points, so in all probability, they would finish in the top 4. And that should be out. That's skied up in the air. Oh no, not quite. Great effort by the fielder over there, and they're going to be overthrows. So often we've seen in the competition that there's a misfield, there's a fumble, and a run is stolen. Initially thought that's gone for all money, skied over there, but obviously 2 fielders, eventually 1 fielder converging, but both of them far away from the ball. And there you go. That's another one. Freebies, as you call it.
So tight over so far from Mohit. For runs from 3 balls, 4 runs from 4 balls. Oh, they went for a single. That's good running. Applauded.
This is a top effort by Patna. Initially, when the openers were batting, we were thinking maybe 200 could be eclipsed today. And the reason for that was because they had Bipin Saurabh in the side. But with that, Arnav Kishore was also coming to the party. So we just thought that even if Arnav gets out, it's going to be Bipin Saurabh. That's scooped in the air, an easy catch over there for the fielder inside the ring. Well, not much you can expect from the bowlers when the batsmen have been dismissed.